AI and machine learning are revolutionizing business sector and making our lives much easier by automating complex tasks. Artificial intelligence includes everything that allows computers to learn how to solve problems and make intelligent decisions. AI plays an important role in medical, education, gaming, manufacturing industries, and most importantly, robotics. From self-driving car to smart sensitive devices, some of the top companies working and investing in AI are Microsoft, Google, Tesla, and Facebook. And also, some of the skills you need to possess to become an AI expert are Python programming, machine learning, mathematics, and deep learning. The global artificial intelligence market will grow from 58.3 billion US dollars in 2022 to $309.6 billion by the year 2026. With the so much advancement in artificial intelligence and companies spending billions of dollars, then there is absolutely no doubt that AI is the future. With so much breakthroughs, the future appears to be brighter than ever. So today I'm going to share with you some of the best frameworks for AI and machine learning. These frameworks allow machine learning developers to create models easily because even the average Mr. Joe can learn about AI frameworks and contribute to the changing digital world. And if you are looking forward to begin with AI framework, this video will cover the popular AI and machine learning frameworks to get you started. First, we have Tensorflow. Tensorflow is a free end-to-end open source platform that has a wide variety of tools, libraries, and resources for machine learning. It was developed by Google Brain Team and initially released on November 9, 2015. You can easily build and train machine learning models. And one of the best things about TensorFlow is that it allows you to deploy machine learning models anywhere. As you can see here on the TensorFlow JS section, you can actually deploy machine learning models right in your browser. Also, you can run in JavaScript environments like Node.js. Then for mobile and IoT, if you are actually a mobile app developer, then using the TensorFlow Lite, you can also deploy your machine learning models in mobile devices and embedded devices. Scrolling down to this section of the page, as you can see, TensorFlow is easy in building and training machine learning models, and also it's robust in deploying those models in cloud, browsers, and other devices. Then also it's powerful in experimentation for research. And some of the solutions to common problems you may solve using TensorFlow are building and training your neural network to classify images of clothing like sneakers, t-shirts. This is actually a beginner project. Moving to an intermediate one, you can actually build a recommender system that can predict movies to users that they might like to watch. Then we have generative adversarial networks. This network is used to generate images of handwritten digits using Keras. These are some of the top companies using TensorFlow. As you can see here is Google, Intel, and even Twitter. Secondly, we have PyTorch. PyTorch was developed by the Facebook AI Research and initially released in January 2016 as an open source used in deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing software. Another notable feature I want to point out on PyTorch is its great affinity with mobile apps in Android and iOS. Third, we have Keras. Keras is a high-level deep learning API developed by Google for implementing neural networks. Keras is relatively easy to learn and also beginner-friendly. You can check out the API docs and guides to learn more about Keras. So, let's actually explore some of the code examples in Keras. As you see, there are so many code examples for so many areas like computer vision, natural language processing, structured data, time series, and many more. To build a model in Keras, first you define the network. In this step, you define the different layers in your model and the connections between them. Keras has two main types of models, which are sequential and functional models. You choose which type of model you want and then define the data flow between them. Secondly, you compile the network. To compile code means to convert it in a form suitable for machine to understand. In Keras, the model.compile method performs this function. And also, to compile the model, We define the loss function, which calculates the loss in our model, the optimizer, which reduces the loss, and the matrix, which is used to find the accuracy of the model. Then you fit the network. Using this, you actually fit your model to your data after compiling. This is used to train the model on your data. Lastly, you evaluate the network. After fitting your model, you need to evaluate the error in your model and also make predictions. To make predictions, you use the model.predict method to make predictions using the model on new data. Fourth, we have scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a free software library for machine learning. It was initially developed as a Google Summer of Code project and originally released in June 2007. Scikit-learn is built on top of other Python libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, and even Pandas. You can implement various supervised and unsupervised machine learning models in scikit-learn, like classification, regression, clustering, support vector machines, random forest, and many more with scikit-learn. Clicking on classification, here you can find some examples of classification models like hand-digit recognition, which is used in recognizing handwritten digits. Lastly, we have Thiano. Thiano is an open source project which is a Python library that allows you to manipulate and evaluate mathematical expression, especially those that handle multidimensional arrays. It was initially released in 2007. Thiano also provides integration facilities with NumPy by using the numpy.nd array in functions that can be compiled to run efficiently on either CPU or GPU architectures. To download and install Thiano, as you can see, it's actually available on the pypi.org website, where you can download and install using the pip command. And this wraps up our tutorial. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button for more related content. See you, and as always, take care.